Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be completing the 4 corners game program in Python. This is how it looks till now. The computer asks which corner to hide. You enter either blue, red, green or yellow, and it places other computer generated players randomly in each corner and print it out like this, and then it loops it again. And if you make a mistake, it prints invalid color and it repeats until we enter a valid color. If you haven't watched part 1 of the series yet, then go check it out. Link is in the description below. Let's recap what we have done so far. So this is what we have done so far in the program. We have imported 2 libraries, random and time. We have set some variables, the total number of players, and a flag variable for the while loop, and we have made a function that places the player and the computer generated players into each corner and increases the counter of that corner by 1. We have included in the while loop an if statement that checks if spectate equals false, which means the player is not out, he's still in the game. Then it increases rounds by 1, sets all the counters to 0. There's a list containing blue, red, green, yellow strings. It asks which corner to hide and gives the user options: blue, red, green or yellow, converts it to lowercase and stores it in the hide variable. It repeats until the user enters a valid color, one from the list colors, and then it places the user using this function in one of the corners, and then the computer generated players are also put in one of the corners randomly. Then it prints the number of players hiding at each corner. Now let's continue writing the program. Now there will be a scenario in the game when there will be no one at a corner. So let's make the computer smarter and not call out the color where there are no players. So we'll check if at blue there's no one, then remove it from the list so that it isn't called out, and we'll do this for the other ones. So if green equals 0, then colors dot remove green. If yellow equals 0, then colors dot remove yellow. Now we'll ask the user if they are ready, then press enter. Press enter when you are ready, and then the computer will choose a color randomly. We print choosing a color. So the computer would need some time to think about a color, so let's do time.sleep for 2 seconds, and then it will choose a color. Color choose equals random.choice, the list of our colors, and then we print the color chosen. Color choose. Now let's remove all the players that were at the corner. So if that color that the computer chose was blue, then the people that were the blue are out, so they are subtracted from the total number of players. Let's do this for all 4 scenarios, for all 4 colors. Players minus red. If color chose equals green, then players equals players minus green, and then if color choose equals yellow, then players minus yellow. Now let's see if this actually removes the total number of players. So print in the next line we use /n players, print the total number of players. Let's test it. So it asks for the color. Let's enter yellow. It asks % when you are ready. Press enter. It chooses a color, taking 2 seconds. It chooses randomly red. There were 7 people at red, so it subtracts 7 from 50, which equals 43. The number of people that were at red are removed from the total number of players, so the program is working perfectly. So I think I'm going to end the program here. I'll continue writing this game in my next video, part 3 of this series. If you enjoyed this program or learned something new today, then please give this video a like and subscribe too. Don't forget to hit the notification bell next to the subscribe icon. If you have any questions, comment them below. I'll be happy to answer. Thanks for watching. See ya!